Alcatel is here at MWC 2018 showing off their brand new line of phones, the Alcatel 1, 3, and 5 series. Despite sporting different specs and designs, there are a few commonalities that the entire line shares. First off, every phone here features a 2:1 aspect ratio tall screen made by parent company TCL, utilizing the company's lauded LCD panels. These taller displays give Alcatel the ability to place a larger screen on the same size phone, or in many cases, the same size screen on a physically smaller phone. All of these devices feature Alcatel's new design language dubbed Symganic, and all but the entry-level Alcatel 1X phone features a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the bright side for future 1X owners especially, all of these phones ship with Alcatel's own brand of face unlocking technology called Face Key, which should make unlocking easier than ever. Alcatel is debuting a redesigned camera experience on all of its phones, delivering more options than previous generations, and is committing to security updates for all of these phones on a minimum of a quarterly basis. The Alcatel 5 is the highest end of the new portfolio, retailing for €229. Its 5.7-inch display sits atop a brushed metallic unibody design and an octa-core processor. It's also got dual front-facing cameras, including a 5-megapixel one with 120-degree super wide-angle lens for group shots, and the software will switch between the 13-megapixel camera with standard lens and this wide one automatically depending on how many faces it detects. The Alcatel 3 debuts in 3 different configurations, ranging between €149 and €189. The main difference here is in the cameras and display, with the 3V packing the highest end specs in a 6-inch 2K display with dual cameras on the back. The 3V's dual cameras are focused on portrait-style shots, while the 3X goes for wider shots with its 5-megapixel secondary camera that has a 120-degree wide-angle lens. Lastly, the Alcatel 1 retails for a crazy low price of €99, and Alcatel promises that this isn't going to be a phone that feels like it's such an affordable price. It certainly looks like a more modern phone than many other cheaper devices can say, and while it doesn't have that rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, it does feature Face Key Unlock and the new camera software. We hope you enjoyed that quick hands-on, and we'll check out our other MWC 2018 coverage as it happens. Be sure to stop by AndroidHeadlines.com for 24/7 tech news coverage, and please subscribe to us on YouTube or Facebook to get our latest videos as they drop. Thanks for watching, and until next time.